Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App payment pending. So first of all, open up this page in your web browser and check its server status. Sometimes it can happen due to server issues. In case you find a temporary outage, wait for some time and try again later. But if you experience no outage here and still encounter this issue, then you need to open Cash App on your device and then tap on this activity icon at the bottom. Right under the Pending tab, you'll see all the pending transactions. Click the green Accept button next to the recipient to accept the pending payments, to receive the money to your Cash App wallet, and you're done. Well, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.